How to change autofill email on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the phone application on your device. This is your iPhone keypad. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Contacts in the middle. You can find all your contacts over here. Now, tap on your contact card at the top. Here, you can view and edit your contact information. Go to the top right corner and tap on Edit. Scroll down to the email section to view your email. If you want to add another email, then tap on Add Email below. Then, enter the email address over here. After that, tap on Done at the top. Following these steps, you can easily change autofill email on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.